In the Zoe program, you'll be collecting your blood sample, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to make it even easier. The first thing that you'll do is you'll wash your hands really thoroughly and make sure that you don't have any hand creams or gels left on them because we don't want to contaminate your blood test. Have a bowl of warm water and soak your hand in it for about 1 to 2 minutes. This will really help your circulation. Then have everything that you need laid out in front of you and take your alcohol wipe and wipe one of your fingers. We'd recommend choosing one of these 3 as it'll make it more comfortable for you. Next, take a lancet, twist off the cap, and hold it to the bottom side of your finger on the fleshy part. Push it against your finger without hesitation, and then hold your finger over the card without actually touching it. Allow your blood drops to fall onto the small rectangle on the left-hand side. Keep doing this until the blood reaches the line clearly indicated, and this will take about 4 drops of blood. Next, you'll wipe away any blood with a gauze, and then cover your finger with a Band-Aid. Make sure you then log your test into the app and then put your test away into the sample return bag. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to chat with us in the app. We'll be more than happy to help.